Here we go. Open the door. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Betsy. Happy birthday to you. Good morning, cute girl. Good morning, birthday girl. Look at that naughty kitty. Is that silly? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, good girl. Let's get ready to go to birthday breakfast. Yeah. Can you sing? Sing, Betsy. Sing. You're gonna be shy. Okay. Look, there's the kitty. There's the silly kitty. They're just sitting there.
Yeah.
Like, what?
Goofball cat.
No, there she goes.
It's like, hi.
You ready to get out? We'll break you out of here. You want to pick her up? Okay, now we're going to get ready for birthday breakfast. Yeah.
Yeah.